In metallographic and material analysis, thresholding is a common technique for segmentation. However, when image quality is poor, thresholding alone is often insufficient. Low contrast, noise, adhesion, and voids can all compromise measurement accuracy. That's where iWorks comes in, offering intelligent tools to overcome these challenges. With auto tools, you can accurately isolate your targets and obtain reliable measurement results. Take this carbide coating sample. Thresholding can't effectively segment the graphite nodules. Fill hole automatically fills internal voids, ensuring structural integrity for accurate measurement. Split separates touching or adhered particles into individual objects with a single click. Convex hull converts irregular shapes into clean convex forms, simplifying the analysis. Shrink or expand adjusts object boundaries flexibly, helping you define regions of interest with precision. Manual tools give you precise control. Take this ductile cast iron sample. iWorks provides two core manual operations, split and merge. Each operation supports a wide range of selection tools. Use the magic wand to select areas based on intensity with adjustable sensitivity. Zoom in and out using the mouse scroll wheel for easier selection. Use the selection tool to highlight and edit specific objects, such as deleting or modifying them. Use manual split to divide overlapping or connected structures accurately. You could choose the most suitable shape tool based on your target's geometry. With iWorks, intelligent automation and flexible manual controls work together to deliver fast, accurate, and high-quality image analysis. Want to learn more? Contact us today for a live demo.